Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisokha. Ngibona imessage lana from ubhuti bafethu uThabo Mnguni. Uthi-ke akacabanga ukuthi just because iplayer liku-first team seliphase i-stage sokudevelopa overall. Uthi uVilakazi-ke naye usadevelopa, uthi noBudimani-ke naye usadevelopa. So uthi ukungadlali laphana njalo kuphazamisa i-development yakhe. Uthi uVilakazi already kade sebami-introduce-ile since previous season. So uthi-ke uBudimani unfortunately-ke yena akakadlali for months even before eza laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs neposition le yadlala kuyo nje competition ikhona kakhulu. So uthi ocoach bayabona ukuthi banama 18 men, kusho ukuthi bane-match day squad yabo which is 18 players. Maybe ama-players wakhona sewaqala ukuba to get into shape, yabo. So uthi-ke they don't want him stranded. Uthi-ke i-DDC is a way, or maybe DDC indlela la azolwa khona back to the first team. Well, i-message right kakhulu le from ubhuti, but I think kumele sijaje with fairness everything bafowethu, sikhulume iqiniso kuzo zonke indlela, ngazo zonke indlela. I-experience ulo Budimani yes ugcina ukudlala seney'nyanga angadlali, same thing as uVelebayi, same thing. Bagcina ukudlala ngoMay, noBudimani, no-Igadaro, noMayo, noLebohang Maboy. Yabo ukuthi bangakanani abantu bagcina ukudlala May bafowethu. But-ke bakwaziwe abanye babanikile ama-opportunities. Yes, ama-experiences waba different. Singasho ukuthi phela oMayo bane-experience, uVelebayi yini emenza ahluke kunoBudimani because uBudimani ukhona naku-under 20 une-experience. But ocoach vele bane-squad esikhulu. As ama-fans let's say we-Chiefs whatever, they cannot be fighting ukuthi kudlale bani kungadlali bani, i-decision yocoach. But ucoach naye uzithrowe under the bus yena mekhuluma live in public ukuthi uBudimani bazomsenda kulokhu njalo. Uyazi, I wish abantu bayibukele le nto leyo baze baxabana nama-journalist. Well, not really ukuxabana, but ama-journalist ayiphikisile le nto le. Interview wathi hhayi abasizwe i-statement sakhe, abasizwa next, le nto le ayishoyo abayizwa bayayiphikisa. But-ke lo bekayi-curator ophethe wonke lama-journalist lawa wayistopha lento lethi hayi guys, we have to go whatever, we have to end the whatever. But baphikisene nocoach uCedric Keza we-Kaizer Chiefs, le statement ashishile ukuthi uBudimani kumele abuyele ku-MDC. Abantu basiphikisile, that's why amanye ama-journalist asiphikisile le statement, because bayambona uBudimani ejima laphana ne-Kaizer Chiefs ku-media open day. So you mean to tell me, into engiyibuzile izolo ukuthi ulo uDupreez ubetter na kunoBudimani? Can he offer better? And then are they looking at maybe umuntu ofana bheka kunabo Morris, kunabo Dupreez, ucoach amagama akhu-10 uzosebenzisa ama-player ne-experience uprefera wona. That is why agcina enza wenze example ngoThemba Zwane, if maybe experience bokuthemba Zwane izinto ezinjalo, valid statement. But at the end of the day, you have to look at your players, the players that you have, and protect them from the media. You as a coach, you have to defend your players. Ungakhuluma into evele iba reckless and then abantu bazobona i-opportunity ukuthi bakwazi uku-attack ama-player wakho, or nawe uku-attack as a coach ukuthi kuyafana mos lo coach lo akakwazi uku-protect ama-player wakho. Ungakhuluma into kanje ku-media noma kuthiwa ama-plans wakho yenza izinto zakho, ukhohlwe i-media ukuthi i-media ithini. So melo you have to know how to respond to i-media because bazokuprovoke i-media or they wanna. And uze washo now coach eKaizer Chiefs ukuthi you're not gonna get the story from me because of bafuna sho something and then kuba ama-headlines. Bheka manje it's becoming the biggest thing in the country. Yes, ku-DDC team angaya bafowethu, angiyasho nami at the moment if iKaizer Chiefs ayinaplan angaya ku-DDC team. Bane-squad sama-player u-30 ngathi awu-41, 39 or 41 between lezo inamba lezo cause ngibabalile bonke. And guess what, kulama-player lawa uma ubabheka bonke abulo uThulane, uNaledi, uKabelo baseceleni bona. Why? Because of basadlala phana ku-DDC team but bane-first team contract, bangabizwa noma inini. So banama-player almost awu-39 to 41 players. And oManqoba khona ubani, uMbuthu, if angidisho kahle igama lakhe ngiyamkhumbula bafethu, wayedlala umfana udlale against young, is it in the team leya iGomora United. Yes, ngambona ngazibuza ukuthi ubani-ke manje lo. And then I did my research ngambona ukuthi ubani. So bakhona abafana baku-DDC team ngathi banama-first team contract. uDonay naye same thing, kunama-player amaningi kakhulu. But out of konke ukulwa bafethu, kulwela uBudimani, kulwela uVelebayi, the boys need to be given an opportunity to play. they wanna play for Kaizer Chiefs, they wanna ngeke ulwele ama-player kangaka and then jiki they don't even play, those players don't even play. Now that's not good. DDC team angaqala again i-confidence khona and then abuye ucoach manje novele wakubeka straight ukuthi uzoya ku-DDC team uzobona ama-match amanye ukuthi uzofitha kumaphi ama-match, kusho ukuthi abanama-plan ngaye at all. There's nothing wrong at the end of the day. Coach mabangaqhubeka bathola ama-results, they won't get this thing. Abantu bewa frustrated because of Kaizer Chiefs bengawathola ama-results, but they're still using the same players. Ama-players ayifeyili Kaizer Chiefs the previous campaign, or noma ngithi the previous season. So hayi ziyakhala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, i-pressure yabona njengoba kuwiniwe kanje kwaluzwa next game uzozwa. Omunye engifuna ukukhuluma ngaye bafethu le nto le yi-serious ku-Kaizer Chiefs. They need i-leader eli-right, eli-serious. They need umuntu ebhentshini le-Kaizer Chiefs ngeke kusukuma abantu abawu-3 bafethu, kuzoconfuse-ke ama-player. Ngisasho i-goalkeeper coach ayibe i-goalkeeper coach elwa ku-touchline njalo. Kuba ngathi uyi coach la muntu. Ngimbhekile lapha, I was very close to the whole action ngoba bengilaphana ngaphambili. Ngimbukela i-90 minutes ngiyasho ukuthi hayibo nangu umuntu ozoba ongathi uyi-coach, uyasuka uyokhuluma nama-match officials lo muntu during the game bafethu. Uyasuka uyofuna ukusolve enye into laphana kule team le bedlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs eyesimba. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi why can't this guy contain himself, like aziphathe kahle, afocuse ku-goalkeeping department if baney'nkinga akwazi ukuba coacha no to pass ideas kuphela. Yena hayi ebhentshini lapho uyaphansi naphezulu bafethu. Hayi le nto ngiyaqala ukuyibona-ke mina, angikaze ngayibona, ngiyaqala ukubona mina i-assistant coach. In fact akusinane assistant coach, i-goalkeeper coach. I-goalkeeper coach idume kanje, ibe famous kanje, maybe nayo uzithandela udumo abantu wabona ukuthi ayi opportunity yami-ke la ukuthi ngivele ngitrende ngidume because of abantu sebayamazi. I mean when you look at other teams we don't even know ukuthi ubani i-goalkeeper coach. Even if thina thina silandela ibhola kakhulu, we do know, but on average abazi. Umuntu ongalibulandeli ibhola ngabona ngathi lo baba lo i-goalkeeper we-Kaizer Chiefs, umani ulokhu njani ucoach we-Kaizer Chiefs. No ways, but they were vocal ngakhona. Kumele he has to try and tone it down bafethu, he has to try and tone it down, control ama-emotions wakhe, understand ukuthi akhona ama-leaders aphezu kwakhe and then kumele ahloniphe i-authority yabo and then abanike ispace sabo ukuthi babe ama-leaders and to be seen as ama-leaders we-team. Because mekusukuma yena abantu they are looking at maybe abantu abangaphansi kwakhe bathi, are these guys real leaders? Why this guy is the one who's too vocal? Why this guy is the one like going up and down? Yabo? So i-authority, that is makuno-coach o-serious, ucoach one-authority ngeke asukume lo abe bhizinisi into zakhe. There's no way. Uyazi ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe u-goalkeeper coach kuphela. But congratulations to amakhosi, bakwazile ukuthola ama-results abafana nge-weekend. Izolo, yes, is it izolo? Yes. So yeah, bakwazile ukuthola ama-results, which is important. It was Sunday, not day before izolo. Cela ukuyibamba lana okwamanje about i-Kaizer Chiefs. Danko.